So on letter B, I have to graph a piecewise function, and I notice that it's this line with a y-intercept of 4 and a slope of -1 for everything except x equals 2. So as I'm drawing it, I have to put a hole when I get to x equals 2 and then keep drawing. And then when x is 2, my y value is actually 0, so I get a filled in circle at 2, 0. So if I'm looking at the limit as I get closer and closer to 2, well, from the left, I was getting closer and closer to that open dot, and from the right, I was getting closer and closer to that open dot. So the y value was approaching, in fact, 2, even though my defined point is 2, 0. The limit when I went from the left and right was still approaching this open dot. So I want you to put this next one into your graphing calculator, y equals cosine of 1 over x, and then draw your graph so you can see what it looks like. So hopefully you see another oscillating pattern like when we did the sine. So for this one, because it's oscillating, again, it does not exist. Try the next one. See if you can graph it without using the graphing calculator. Of course, if you choose to use a graphing calculator, that's ABS under math number. So you choose math number, and then I think it's the first entry, ABS. But try graphing it, see if you can write out the piece function and do it yourself. So of course this is what the piece function looks like. So I'll end up getting 1 because it'll equal it x minus 5 if the inside is positive and the inside is positive if x is greater than 5. And then it'll be the negative of the inside if the whole inside is negative, but that inside is negative if x is less than 5. So of course this is -1. So now I'm going to graph it, and I'll notice that as x gets closer and closer to 5 from the left side, I'm at -1. I'm approaching that -1 dot, and from the right side I'm approaching +1. So since they're not equal, this is another does not exist. Okay, I will see you tomorrow in class. Be ready to start working on the homework problem, so make sure you have it all printed out and have it with you.